If you're like me, you forget all of the things that you have to do in any given day or week. It's really easy to set reminders for yourself, though, so that you can remember to do them because it'll just pop up directly on your iPhone. I'll show you how to do it. Now, on your iPhone, you're going to swipe to the left until you get to the app library. And let's just search for the Reminders app. You can either use the Reminders app or the Calendar app itself has a feature that is similar. So let's open up the Reminders though. And I'm going to walk you through setting up a new reminder. Tap on the new reminder at the very bottom left. And you can see on here it says title. So I'm going to say take out the trash because I need a reminder to bring it out to the curb. Now on here, you have some options here. You can see it says list here. I can just choose to-do list. And then details here, I can choose the exact date and time, location, when to message, all of that stuff. So let's turn on a date here and hit continue and allow. And let's say I need to take out the trash every Wednesday. So here it is, Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. So I'm going to tap on that date and I can turn on a time as well. I want a reminder right around 6 p.m. And on here, you can see early reminder. I can choose that to say, let's say 15 minutes before. In case I'm not on my phone at exactly 6 p.m., it'll also remind me 15 minutes before. And then next, I want to just repeat this every week. So I can choose weekly because I need to take out the trash every week. And then repeat, I'll set it to never. So everything is good to go. You can add tags, location, to message someone when that reminder goes off. But I'm good to go. I'm just going to hit add at the top right. Now, I can hit the all button here to the top left, and it shows me every single reminder I have. You can see today at 6 p.m. weekly, it'll remind me to take out the trash. Now, if I ever wanted to delete a reminder, I can just swipe to the left and I can hit delete. If I no longer want that reminder, I can choose to delete this reminder or all future reminders as well. Now, keep in mind, after you go through that process and you have a bunch of different reminders, if you get that reminder, it'll show up as a notification. So you can swipe down to the notification center and it will pop up directly on there. It'll also just pop up on your phone as a reminder and your phone will ding or have a little vibration. Essentially, it reminds you that you need to do that specific task. And keep in mind, under My List, you can always create new lists that are specific to certain people. You can see, for instance, I can have a family list that I share with a specific other person or a friend or somebody else. If you wanted to remind someone else that you need to do something or that they need to do something, you can always set that up as well.